Alright guys, Toca Boca video number 1. I'm probably going to make 5 or more of these like I did with the Gacha Life videos. Where's my Toca Boca? Oh, there it is. Toca Boca! My volume's so loud for some reason. Alright, let's just talk about Toca Boca. Yeah. Oh, free gift. Why didn't you give me that earlier? That's gonna be nice, at least. I think I got a free gift yesterday. I don't know if I actually did or not. Do you get it like Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday? I don't know. What if they did actually do that? Let's do it. Oh my goodness. It's an animal. Ew. I don't like it. It's literally a insect. It's ugly. Whatever. At least some people will like it. I'm not gonna be the person that likes it. Why is that even a gift? Oh my goodness. This is going to be the series of the dogs. This is the place it'll be in. There's 2 places that'll be in. You could do this exact same building. I don't care if anyone really does it, but yeah. It's originally built by me. I know it's supposed to be a store, but I know it would be actually better for it to be a pet house. Like this one, so let's do it. Sorry, I couldn't find the gray one. Okay, that's normal. There's all dogs and then there's a rabbit. Alright, Periwinkle. What? He literally said Periwinkle. What the? Why would he do that? Stop saying random words. Guys, I'm going to take you to the new place. What's the new place? I'm going to take the small ones in here. Actually, no. Get back to your spot. Alright. Disclaimer, don't put your pets in a suitcase. I'm just doing this so I can hold them. Alright, so, yeah. Periwinkle, shut up. How dare you say that to me? I'm the queen of Periwinkle. Whatever. You just need to explore your new house. Toca Boca. Eyes, Periwinkle eyes. Bop, 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 whatever. La, la, la. Doesn't matter. La, la, la. Alright, I'm going to carry them a different way. Periwinkle. Have a good day. Okay, come on. I can't believe Christmas is in 2 days. Yeah, it's so fast. This is the new place. Wait, actually? Yay. Wait, this is my place? Yeah. You live in a window, sir. Oh my goodness. This is me. Yeah, that's you on the carpet. We're gonna be staying here. Sometimes. Okay. Oh my goodness. Is there any room for all of us here? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, like, is there? I don't know. Alright. Are you guys all okay? Yeah, we're okay. Okay, I'll be sitting on the couch right here if you need me. Okay. Oh my goodness. Let's explore the outside first, guys. This is the bathroom, apparently. Yeah. Look at this room, guys. Oh my goodness, it's a room. It's perfect. Guys, come on. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Yeah, this is a perfect place for me. Yeah, especially since you're small, you fit really well in there. Okay, I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna chill. Me too. I'm gonna chill up here. Once every dog saw the rooms, they all chilled. Ding dong. Oh, looks like someone's at the door. Ugh. Hi, so I figured out that 2 of these dogs you have. You have to give me both of them, please. Why? Because they're missing and they belong to someone else. I don't have them. Guys, look out the window. Oh no, my past owner, she doesn't like me. Why is she even? Oh no, my past owner. My past owner doesn't like me either. Guys, you need to hide or something. Wait, I know something. And, guys, I don't think I can find it. I can't find it. You have to, come on. Alright, I just found a box. Here, hide in here, please. Have a good time. I don't want to do this, but yeah. Alright. Give me the key. The key? Yeah, I dropped it. Alright. Here's the key. Thank you. Locks the bathroom door. Hides it in the bed. Puts the bed down. Alright, guys, we should be safe. Let's just wait in here. Yeah. Act normal, y'all. Trade places. Okay. Oh, well. I don't have them, see? Opens this up. What? Why is there a key in here? Who's trying to hide something? What? Key? I never put that there. Guys, what are you doing? We were literally talking. Yeah, it was totally like normal. Yeah, it's not like we're doing anything bad. Yeah, we're just chilling. But where are these two? They went somewhere. That's odd. Do you have a board, like a thing that you could put these on? Oh. Let me find one. Alright, yeah. Okay. Alright. You have to tell me why the key. Hey, why did you put the key up there? Haha, you ain't getting it back. You're a bad dog. Ugh. Ow, woman. This is bad. Tries to open doors, lock. That's probably what these are to. What is this? Tries to open with key. That box is metal. You can't open it. What? Bites. Ah! Never ever come here again. Pushes out the door. Ugh. Why did you do that? To save all y'all. Alright, guys. Come on. Oh, thanks for hiding, though. Come. I'm going back. It's okay. Alright, so we're all good, right? Yeah. They all said yes. Okay. Just chill then. I'm happy I'm still with you guys. Yeah, if you were taken away, I would not like that. Me either, to be honest. Ah! What did you just do there? Dad, I'm hungry. Hi, hungry. I'm Dad. Why did you name me this way? Why? Stop singing. Justin Bieber. What? Nothing. Dad, I'm hungry. Hi, hungry. I'm Dad. Dad, I'm hungry. Hi, hungry. I'm Dad. Dad, I'm hungry. Hi, hungry. I'm Dad. Why did you name me this way? Why? Oh no, I can't move the screen. Okay, I have to go back. That was part 2. Part 1. Part 2 coming later. Probably on Christmas Eve or Christmas. Bye. They all said bye.